Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you how to make some restaurant quality style margaritas. They're in the big obnoxious glasses just like you get at the restaurant, and they taste so good. This margarita is made using watermelon juice for a little twist on the classic margarita. Once you learn how to make this recipe, you can make all sorts of different flavors using different juices or purees to change it up and make it how you will love it. In this recipe, you will learn how to make a great margarita, including some secrets and expert tips that you may not have known before. So stick around and I hope that you enjoy the video. There are a few ingredients that you will need no matter what kind of margarita you make. First up, we have some high quality tequila. Next, pick up some Cointreau or orange liqueur. You can't forget the agave syrup, which adds just the perfect touch of sweetness to this drink. And of course, some freshly squeezed lime juice. Since this restaurant style margarita is flavored using watermelon, we're gonna make our own homemade watermelon juice. Cut up 4 cups of seedless watermelon and pour that into a blender. Simply blend on high until the watermelon juice has formed and no large pieces of watermelon remain. This technique could work with many other juices, including orange juice, pineapple juice, and it's a really great technique to make a margarita taste super fresh. Up next, it's time to strain the watermelon. This takes a little bit of time, but pays off with the texture of the drink in the end. You'll have enough watermelon juice to make 4 margaritas, so don't worry, this is a great process to batch your cocktails. Another secret to making really delicious restaurant-style margaritas is using freshly squeezed lime juice. The lime juice that comes in the bottle is just not as good as freshly squeezed. So take just a few minutes to squeeze all of the lime juice before you mix the cocktails. Next, it's time to salt the rim of your margarita glass. You can either use some extra agave syrup or run a lime along the rim of the glass. If you're a salt person like I am, feel free to use kosher salt, or if you'd prefer a sugar rim, that works as well. Now onto the fun part, building the actual cocktail. It's really important that you use a good quality tequila, so when purchasing your bottle of Blanco tequila, make sure that somewhere in the bottle is labeled with 100% agave. This usually indicates the best type of tequila. We're gonna come behind that with 2 ounces of Cointreau. You could also use another off-brand triple sec. And of course, we can't forget the 2 ounces of lime juice, which provides a beautiful acid to the drink. Now to finish things off, it's time for that freshly made watermelon juice. We're going to use 4 ounces. Agave syrup is totally optional, but does add a great sweetness to the drink if the watermelon juice is not sweet enough. I use about 3/4 of an ounce, but feel free to adjust to your sweetness level. Then shake everything up and pour it into your salted margarita glass. No cocktail is complete in my mind without a garnish, so I use a simple wedge of watermelon along with a lime for a beautiful and elegant garnish. Grab the full recipe along with tips and tricks using the link below.